Right from childhood, Aliko Dangote had a great interest in business. He started selling candy in primary school, and after completing his tertiary education, he worked hard to establish his own business. He is the richest man in Africa, and this is his story. Stay tuned.
Welcome to African Dream Motivation.
Aliko Dangote was born on 10th April 1957 into a wealthy Muslim family. He is the son of Muhammad Dangote and Maria Sanusi Dantata. Also, he is said to be the great-grandson of Alhaji Alhassan Dantata, who was the richest man in West Africa during his time until he died in 1955. This clearly indicates that this is not a story of a person from rags to riches. Aliko Dangote stayed with his grandparents, who were great entrepreneurs during their time, and his interest in entrepreneurship developed right from infancy. When he was in primary school, he sold candy to his friends to make extra money. So right from childhood, Dangote began to take advantage of little opportunities to make money. He went through the academic structure and completed a bachelor's degree in business studies and administration from Al-Azhar University in Cairo, Egypt. After completing his tertiary education, he wanted to do business. In Nigeria, most rich people get their wealth from the oil industry, but Dangote wanted to be different. He identified another opportunity in the commodity market and started his business from there. At the age of 21, he borrowed $3,000 from his uncle to import and sell agricultural commodities in Nigeria. This became a success, and he was able to repay the debt within 3 months. His business took off, and then he relocated to Lagos as a measure to expand his business. In 1997, he switched from importing his products from other countries to manufacturing them in Nigeria, making his company realize tremendous profits. He then advanced from a trading company to become a big conglomerate firm. He added to his businesses the Dangote Cement Factory, Dangote Sugar Refinery, Dangote Flour, and a few others. He has also recently diversified into telecommunication, agriculture, and oil refinery, which promises to boost his net worth very high. He is the wealthiest person in Africa and also the richest black person in the world with an estimated net worth of $10 billion. Aside working hard to make his money, Aliko Dangote has been involved in many philanthropic activities in Africa and the world at large. In 2014, during the Ebola crisis in Africa, he donated 150 million naira to help fight the virus. Also in 2020, he wasn't silent in the fight against the spread of COVID-19. He again donated 200 million naira to help combat the spread of the virus in Nigeria. His philanthropic foundation, Aliko Dangote Foundation, has been actively supporting the health and educational sector as well as empowering the economy of Nigeria. He is also collaborating with the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation to fight polio and tackle salient problems in Africa. Aliko has received countless awards and honors for his outstanding business success. In 2014, he was listed in CNBC's top 25 businessmen in the world that changed and shaped the century. Also in April 2014, he was listed among Time magazine's 100 most influential people in the world. From 2013 to 2018, he was named the most powerful man in Africa by Forbes. He started small, from just an import business, and gradually expanded to what it is today. He is a billionaire, and he made his money in Africa, irrespective of the struggles the continent is facing. He is a symbol of hope, and his story proved that you can make an impact wherever you find yourself. Tracing his roots shows that his great-grandfather was the richest man in West Africa, and today he is the richest man in Africa. This explains the wealth of his family. The hard work of his great-grandfather took the family miles ahead to give Aliko Dangote a head start to wealth. What can you do today that will be of great help to the generation that comes after you? In every wealthy family, someone stood up against all odds to make a difference. Work hard today, leave a legacy, and the future generation will be grateful for your efforts. If Aliko Dangote could do it, you also can. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, kindly like, subscribe, and click on the notification button so that you don't miss any video we upload.